Hey guys, Brad from Simple Guitar here, and I know it's been a minute since I've had a video on this channel. I have a few things going on, and yes, I shaved. It's kind of weird, right? But it is what it is. My kids hate it, but hey, that's the price you gotta pay, right? Okay, in today's video, if you have trouble with chords, I know this is something that a lot of beginner guitar players struggle with. My hand hurts, I can't get my chords, it's uncomfortable. What do I do? Maybe you're an older player and you're just starting out and you're like, I have a little bit of arthritis, or my hand doesn't want to work right, or whatever it is. Very simple shift that is going to make playing chords a lot easier for you, okay? It's very, very simple, so I'm just going to go straight to the point with it. This is a very short lesson today, okay? Now, normally, a lot of people, when they play a guitar, they start out with their guitar on their right leg, or if they're a left-handed player, on their left leg. And the guitar kind of sits flat like this, right? And that way, it's pretty comfortable. It's what we see on TV, right? But what I'm gonna have you do today is try something a little bit more radical. This is not for everybody, and not everybody who plays popular music does this, but this will help you if you're struggling with your hand or anything like that with playing chords. It is very simple. You take your guitar, you put it on your left leg and let it lean between your left leg, your right leg, and then lean back against your body like this. And you may elevate your foot a little bit. Sometimes I will put my other foot down on the ground and put my left foot on top of it. This is a more classical stance. The cool thing about this is a classical stance like this, I don't always play like this, but it just makes your technique easier. It puts your hand in a position where, look at this, if I'm like this, look how straight my wrist is right there, right? And yeah, I haven't tuned my guitar. I need to do that. But look at how easy that is for my wrist. My wrist can be straight. There's like almost no strain on my arm, on my shoulder, anything. Everything's super easy that way, even if I'm playing bar chords. Right? It's a very, very different position that makes it super easy to have good technique. Now, is there anything wrong with doing this? No. You can do that too, but what I'm saying is if you are having trouble with this kind of position because your arm is stretched out or your wrist is kinked and you're like, why won't my hand work the way that I want it to? Try swapping positions, go to a more classical position, and that will make it a lot easier. You want your neck angled up a lot more. It brings it closer to your body, makes it so you're not stretched out, you don't kink your wrist at all, and it just overall makes good technique a lot easier. So if you've been struggling with your technique or playing chords or anything like that, simple shift, I want you to try this out. Try it out for a week or two. Let me know down in the comments how it goes, okay? It's really, really straightforward. Now, if that was helpful for you, which I hope it was, I mean, it's a very simple thing. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time talking about it, but I have another gift for you as well. If you want to go to my website at simpleguitar.com/top10, there I have a free guide for you called the Top 10 Things to Learn on Guitar First. And that thing is 17 pages of 10 things I like to teach beginners to get them a lot of bang for their buck when it comes to learning guitar. And it's going to help you make more real music and have a lot more fun, give you a bit of a head start, you know, a good boost to your playing, especially if you're just starting out. So go to simpleguitar.com/top10, put in your email address to get that, and it'll send it straight to your inbox. You can unsubscribe anytime, no hard feelings, it's all good. But it's my gift to you for watching the video today. So thanks for watching today. Go try out this classical position to hold your stuff, your guitar, and then I will see you in the next video.